Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to upload and add images from your computer in Google Docs. This tutorial should be a very straightforward, really easy to follow, and quick, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, let us get started. Do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Docs, you're a beginner or even a first-timer in using Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how you can do this thing. Now, before proceeding with anything else, please make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date, and this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors along the process. Now, as you can see in my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph, a sample canvas, but I would like to add an image right over here in this part of the paragraph, or in this part of the canvas. However, I would like to insert the image directly from my computer. Now, as we know, we have different ways that we can insert an image. We can browse from the Google Drive or even search the web directly from Google Docs itself, in which I already made a tutorial on how to do that. If you're interested on watching that tutorial, please be sure to check out our dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. Now, to upload an image directly from our computer, all we have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen right over here, and as you can see in our ribbon, we got different options that we can choose from, and below the file name we have 8 different tabs that we can choose from. Now, for this tutorial, to insert an image, we need to focus on the 4th option from the left, which says Insert. Click on the Insert tab once, which will drop down tons of menus and options that we can choose from. For this tutorial, let us focus on the first option as we are going to upload an image. As we hover our mouse on this image icon, it will give us a total of 6 options that we can choose from. Now, these are all the different ways that we can use to upload an image. In this tutorial, let us focus on the first one, which says Upload from Computer. This is what will allow us to access the directory on our computer, choose the image, and upload it to this Google Docs file. Click on it once, and as you can see, it will open our file manager. On the left side of your screen, just navigate through the directory on where your picture is located. In my case, it is in OneDrive. From here, all I have to do is to click the picture that I would like to add, for example this one, and click on Open. You can see right over here, we have already succeeded on adding our image, which is the logo of our YouTube channel, on our Google Docs file. As simple as that, we can upload an image directly from our computer in Google Docs. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.